recipe which is basically an excuse for me to combine all of my favourite things, chili, citrus and cheese, into what is essentially a cake, but a savoury cake. So we're going to be making my chili, lime and feta cornbread. And this is sharp, sweet, spicy, fluffy, all at the same time, and it's a really versatile recipe. So you could take it fresh out the oven and have a big chunk of it alongside a bowl of chili, or you could slice it, toast it, butter it, drizzle it with honey for an amazing breakfast. Let's do it! So there we go, that's my chili, feta and lime cornbread. Give it a go and let me know in the comments what you think, as long as you're being effusively nice